Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo X100s. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Vivo X100s: height 6.42 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 7.5 mm. The weight is 203 grams, and the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo X100s: it's come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 89.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The protection is not available at this time, and the platform of Vivo X100s, it has Android 14 operating system, and the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. The CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 and the GPU is Motorola G720. The memory of Vivo X100s, it's come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and 256GB for 12GB and 1TB of ROM. No SD card and nano memory card port in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Vivo X100s. It's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 60fps video record with main camera. The selfie camera of Vivo X100s is 32 megapixel and it's record 4K 30fps video with selfie camera. The battery backup, it comes with 5100 mAh battery with 100 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wired charging. The common and features of Vivo X100s: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, infrared port, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant. The Vivo X100s price is $600.